Can you hear it? Can you hear all the birds? Oh, and there's some raindrops keep falling on my head. I love that. Walking under trees after it has rained. Raindrops falling on my head. Beautiful yards. See? I love it. I was only going to walk for 10 minutes. But once I got going, it was just like in high school when I used to walk this neighborhood. It's been 25 minutes, 17 seconds and counting. Heart rate is at 132. Guess I better head back to the dentist. I don't want my son to wait and everybody is trying to close. See that tree? White tree. You see that one? Tall white tree. It feels good out here. Not too hot, not too cold. It's great. Let me see, so far, how many calories? 215 calories burned so far. Not that I count calories, but I do practice portion control for what I eat. I had my icy cold watermelon lemonade spinach juice today, along with grilled chicken breast and a half a cup of pasta leftover from yesterday. And I was satisfied with that. And tonight, when I go to work, I'll have probably one of my Shakeology concoctions. And then almonds, cherries, and water for my snacks while at work. I like planning. It makes life easier for me. Sometimes I don't eat the snacks that I take. Sometimes I just don't want them. But if I don't get enough calories in, then my weight loss comes to a halt. So I have to make sure I eat the right things at the right time to get the most benefit. I'm learning. Been reading a lot. I'm learning. There go those keys. Play get to your keys. Anyways. Alrighty. Word to the mother. Power to the people. Keep hope alive. Just love all these beautiful houses and all these beautiful yards. It's a garden walk on Sunday. You get to walk through the village and look at all the different gardens for the ones that signed up for it. And I love it. You know what? I want to go down this street. Looks great. Oh, I like this. Huge yard. Good Lord. Yeah, let's see. See this tree right here? It's got, yeah, it's beautiful. The sun keeps poking its head out. It's a strange color for a house. It's pretty, but it's strange. Okie dokie. I like walking. It feels good. Peace out.